Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends. First, understand that Apex Legends is a thrilling, free-to-play battle royale game where 20 squads of 3 players battle it out. You'll select a unique legend, each with distinct skills, and then drop into a dynamic arena. Your primary goal is to be the last squad standing, eliminating all other opponents. It's a fast-paced experience that rewards quick thinking and teamwork. So let's dive into the fundamentals. Every legend in Apex Legends comes equipped with 3 distinct abilities: a passive, a tactical, and an ultimate. Your passive ability is always active, offering continuous advantages throughout the match. Tactical abilities are on a relatively short cooldown, allowing for frequent use to gain an edge in skirmishes. Finally, ultimate abilities are incredibly powerful, game-changing moves that charge up over time, often turning the tide of a fight. Mastering these is key to success. Effective movement and combat are crucial for survival. Utilize slides, wall running, and ziplines to navigate the map quickly and strategically. Always prioritize looting for powerful weapons, essential armor, and vital healing items to keep your health and shields up. When engaging enemies, aim for headshots to deal maximum damage, often reducing the number of shots needed to secure an elimination. Remember to use environmental cover to your advantage, protecting yourself from incoming fire. Teamwork is paramount in Apex Legends. Always communicate effectively with your squad, whether through the intuitive ping system or voice chat, to coordinate attacks and share information. Sharing loot and resources ensures that all 3 members of your team are well-equipped for any encounter. If a teammate is downed, prioritize reviving them to maintain your squad's strength. Working together to flank enemies and combine abilities will significantly increase your chances of becoming the champion squad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.